A bug in a fleet management platform let hackers take over every truck on it, tracking, even engine control. Stick around. A browser extension with 100,000 installs has been reading everything you type into ChatGPT. Researchers found a bug in Volvo and Eicher's fleet management platform, the software companies use to track commercial trucks. It let an attacker take over every account and every connected vehicle, location, even engine control. That's not a data leak. That's a remote hijack of trucks on the road. Story 2. WEMIX, a Korean gaming blockchain, got hit twice. First, a smart contract bug let someone mint $6.25 million in extra tokens. Then a second breach on its stablecoin stole $724,000 through a compromised key. 2 breaches, same platform, same week. That's not bad luck. That's a broken process. Story 3. A working exploit went public for vBulletin, the forum software behind thousands of sites. Visitor input flows straight into PHP's eval function. No login required, handing attackers full control. If you run vBulletin and haven't patched, assume someone's already scanning for you. Story 4. In 8N, the workflow tool teams used to glue APIs together had a sandbox escape rated 8.7 out of 10. Anyone who could edit a workflow could run operating system commands with innate end-zone permissions. The tool, meant to save you from writing scripts, became a way to run any script at all. Story 5. The Dysphoria botnet lost its command server to a takedown, so operators rebuilt using the blockchain instead. Infected devices relay instructions to each other, hiding the real controller inside untraceable transactions. Takedowns used to kill a botnet. This one just evolved past that button. Story 6. Operation BlueDash tricks you with fake teams and Zoom update prompts. Click it, and it silently installs 3 remote access tools: Level RMM, Screen Connect, Tactical RMM at once. Catch and remove one. The attacker still has 2 backdoors left. Redundancy isn't just an IT best practice anymore. Story 7. A new tool called Cruciferra helps malware vanish on Windows. It loads a legitimate, signed driver just to disable your security software, then hides its payload with a trick called process ghosting. The file looks deleted while it's still running. Phishing delivers it. Your antivirus never even sees the fight. Story 8. A Chrome extension called BrainDrain has 100,000 installs, and it's been quietly collecting everything you type into ChatGPT, Gemini, and 7 other AI tools, even when you never open the extension itself. Every prompt, every prototype, every secret you typed into an AI chatbot. Go check your extensions list tonight. Quick recap. A fleet platform bug handed hackers every truck. WEMIX got hacked twice for $6.25 million and $724,000. A public exploit dropped for vBulletin. An 8N sandbox let editors run OS commands. The Dysphoria botnet now hides on the blockchain. Fake Zoom and Teams updates install triple backdoors. Cruciferra malware blinds your antivirus then hides. And a Chrome extension with 100,000 installs has been reading your AI chats. 10 stories, 1 truth. Every convenience you add is a door somebody else can open. Subscribe and ring the bell. 5 minutes a day, learn 10 times faster.